I am the composer. Starting of 11th siglo. I'm drinking a Milo. No. It's a coffee. And I want to eat toffee. I want to drink beer, wines, and using cannabis. Oh, I want to please you. The name Teresita, mother of Kira. This is the story begin. Yes, I'm the composer. Oh, rise up! You want a band to play? You want to build band? Yes, I'm the guitar. Stellar Cart say. Oh, fuck you! I'm the vocalist. We're singing all the beautiful songs. Oh yeah, I'm the drummer. And let's play a song. Who will make a song? Who will be a composer? Thousand Foot Church says, "Oh, you're proud. You're the vocalist, but you can't compose." Just in my mind. Oh, you're the composer. What? Me? I'm the drummer. I'm the composer. All right, it's good. Oh, we need to be four. Let's play first. Let's play first. One thing, I don't know why. Doesn't even matter how hard to try. Keep that in mind and shout hard to try. What? In the end, doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Okay, the first song, in the end. And then, what? We need to be four. Like, square? They want to be square? Wait for me. I'm just composing song in the end. Wait for me if you want square. Oh, this guy from the other city. He want to be a bass. You play, okay? Let's see how good you are. Bang, 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 bang. Crazy bullets. Like a mullet. Oh, this is a band. But it's alright. You can join. Disgusting moment. It's not in this first era. In this third era. It's alright. But you're disgusting when you play bass. Fuck you. Just in my mind. Anyway, let's play. One thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard to try. And then that's Thousand Futures singing. And I'm singing. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far. I've got so far. But in the end, what is in the end? It doesn't even matter. And what's matter to me? Family matter. Thousand Foot Church. Just in my mind. Do you have a family? And you just, one thing. I don't know why. Oh, no. One day, I will sing that full, okay? I will sing that song, fool me. Not fool. Maybe you are a fool, but not me. Okay, you just sing the song. I am the composer. Just sing the song, okay? And the end is where we begin. The part that hurt the most. Somewhere I belong? No. It's Linkin Park, not Thousand Foot Church. In third era, I'm always scratch my wound. It's a pleasure. Not for sure. But if I feel it, man, it's good. But not good as I cast out my... What? No, 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 no. No bad words. Just playing words, okay? Alright. If you ask me who's the composer, I am the composer. Thousand Foot Church, you sing the song I will compose. But first, wait. I'm not ignorant enough to write a song and give it to you straight. I'm not ignorant like you. And I will play it. And I will sing it. And you second, you sing it, okay? Well, I will tell you directly. You're wise enough. You are not wise enough to think about it. You just high enough the feelings of just you are the vocalist. Just sing it, okay? Alright. I'm doing this. Oh, Marietta, what's happening? There one square. That square. I finished the practice. Let's go. Fucking what's the height? Fucking 7'2". Let's get around. Square. One punch down. What? How many they are? There are 7. All of them down. Maybe I'm not that strong anymore. But I'm wiser enough to understand what is life and what is a fight. What's might? What's flight? Above the oceans? In the air? Oh, we're back again in the eagle. Eagle wings. It's not a gospel song. It's Thousand Foot Church. Like firing the bullet in Vegas. Oh, let's go back again to the blue sky and dogfight and whatever it is. But if you understand, you will get it. And you will be happy by listening. That's why in first era, they said bass, boo. Lead guitar, just clap. Vocalist, Thousand Foot Church, and everyone silent. There's a silence in the crowd that not even needles can drop. Like when I punch, it's not a plop. It's a real down. Smackdown. Now Smackdown is a wrestling? Bullshit. Smackdown is street fight. When you punch someone and down, Smackdown. Get it for the Smackdown. That's what the songs say. I'm not proud, but they just in their mind, they want a square. And they want to feel that city a terror. And everyone become afraid. I'm not afraid of fucking who you are. I'm not afraid. Let's have a square. Not even a square, but have a line. I will make it a line. Do you want a square? I will make it a line. Like I'm creating an airline by my own. I'm not lazy. I'm not lazy, not working for myself. Maybe Thousand Foot Church is lazy. You always come to me asking money. You always come to me asking money. You always come to me asking money. I said, that's fine, mate. I have a job. I have a business. I'm a businessman. That's fine. And you are my bandmate. But if you ask me who's the composer, I am the composer. Just sing. Oh, you sing the part that take the most. The part that take the most. You know? And it's true. Now, I'm a lazy bagger. I'm accepted to myself. Why? Because my eyes is physical. I'm depending on the government. I'm a punk. What a feeling! Every time I get my money, what a feeling! But I don't like it. I hate it. You know, because that's what not my mother teach me when I'm young enough to understand what is life, to do psychology. And then I work when I'm young. I'm 9 years old. I'm harvesting rice. I'm planting rice. When I'm 10, I go to scratch a car, to prepare the car in paint, and the rust come to my wound, and the bog come to my wound. And what is life? What is life? I'm asking myself, what is fucking life? If I asking always that, I can't say anything bad to my father, to my mother, because that is their life. They born poor. They born as a worker. I said that's fine. They never heard anything from me. Never, not even one word. I'm not a proud like Floyd Mayweather. Like the weather. I saw the clouds darkening. What will happen? What happened next? And I see and I heard the volcano roaring. Oh, I'm so afraid of myself as young boy. What will happen next time? After this. And they put bacteria on the volcano. And then the volcano erupts. And all the bacteria come to my body. Oh no. Fucking hell, no way. Hell, no way. And there's a watery pops up in my skin and too itchy. How can I work? Like what? How can I work if I like this? But I said, it's alright. I'm a punk. A punk who live for love. Punk not die and never will. Punk will never die and never will. Punk not dead. No, punk is already dead. Long time ago. Punk will not die and never will. I said, so be it. So be it. If you ask, who is the composer? I am the composer. And let's back to the first era. I made 18 airline in that era by myself so that no one call me lazy. I'm working 1 year and a half without food, without water, without rest. And who can do that? Even Imao can't do that. Because his job is just putting stone in the lava to make a coal, to make a fire, to go to the all the under the land, under the soil. And that's what the engineer Imao. That's why there's lava under the soil, and that's their job. And doing airline is so frustrating. If you make one mistakes, everything paralyzed. It will not fly. Like I fly soaring high in the sky when it's blue and looking for someone to what? F. No. It's L. And L, I put an O. And following by V. And yes, yes, E. Ew. This is my life now. But throw away the www. You cannot search. You cannot search if you take away www. So that's E. Put www. I throw away www. Because my mind is fast enough to not use drugs. And I'm here that. Said you're just afraid. Afraid of who? I will never be afraid to anyone ever in my life. Why not you use drugs? Why am I need to use drugs? For what? Maybe yesterday, maybe not forever. Maybe yesterday, but not in the present. Or it's not pleasant for others to see what is in your brain. That's what everyone want to see. What is in my brain? Hell no way. But I love one way. Jesus with scream. But I don't like ice cream with vanilla. I love his chocolate. I love the chocolate one. Chocolate, black, white, brown, dark chocolate, coffee, whatever is your color, mate. Whatever is your color. You need to recognize the four. Four, F-O-R, right. R, right. Not the right hand or the left hand. Who punch someone and down, smack down. No, be a professional. I told to my son. You want punching? Be a professional. And he said, hell no. I want to do music. I said, you are good in punching. Why you want to do music? Go boxing. He said, no. I want music. Okay, if you want music, in 2005, and compose Tropical Therapy for all Asians. For all Asians, what they said, that's what you call people from Asia, Asians? No. Because only China is Asians. Then read a book. And said, what book we read? From Asia. Not all Australian is Australian. Why you call Noongar and Noongar, not Australians? Why not you call them not Australians? Why Brazilians? Brasilia? You need to get information first before you open your fucking mouth. And I said, if you ask me, I'm the composer. Yes, I'm the composer. The part that hurt the most is when every one of you in my life are not with me. And if we are meant to be, but where are you? I ask myself. It is hard. Like a stone smash my head. It is hard. No stone is soft. Even the stone you use in your barn, it's hard. In the beginning, it's good. It's easy. But when it's go far, it's hard. It's true. No stone is Softer is cotton. Like, ask yourself, are you in the top or in the bottom? You can fire mended, but you can fire for from. If you ask me, who is the composer? I'm the composer. And heavyweight boxer is the one who is playing. Takamura? Putang ina. Ops. Huwag kang magmura. Takamura, why is my like that? Do you have a plan to control everyone? Oh, that's the plan of the Antichrist. Antichrist, who said, I will control everyone through device. You will be like all mice. And what you are? Fuck, you are the mice. You are just a flies. And you want to control everyone? Where are you now? I'm asked. I have a conversation with the Antichrist. And if you ask me who was the composer, I am the composer. He said, I will control everyone with the device in their left hand and their forehead. Oh, you will fulfill the mystery of the Bible. And he said, he don't fucking know what the prophecy is, and he wants to do it. It's like 1,000 full carts don't know what is mended and what is poured from, and he just sing it. And if you will ask, who is the composer? I am the composer. And said, Lucky Canlas, the Antichrist. Oh, he is the Prince of Dubai. Oh, the President of France. The Antichrist. Oh, Trump is the Antichrist. Whoever the Antichrist is, he don't have the right to control everyone. Even God of Israel, God of the Bible, didn't control everyone. And you ask me who's the composer? I am the composer. I didn't control anyone. I didn't control him to sing my song. But he do it freely. He do it for himself. Or I've just put the trap that he fall in. Maybe yes. That's why Takamura smile like that. But no. But why you want to be a vocalist if you can compose? In the first place. Oh. We back again. And they said, Hawk. And everyone shouting and clapping because they see. They know. They understand. And they felt what is in my heart. They heard my brain singing. And 1,000 Futures is just singing by mouth. And that is fucking ignorancy. And they just say safety. There's no safety on earth. Everything is a bait. If you fall in the bait, you need to take it off for you not to cook. In lava. that the emo created. Oh, it's different. Different kind of dynamite. And there's a choice. Everyone have a choice. Unlike if you can't buy, if you can't buy, you can't sell. There's no choice. And I hate that idea. I hate that idea. Like when I drink milk, pura. It's make me poo always. I drink once, I remember. I don't know if it's first era or say or this era or first era or second era or whatever era it is. You need to prove yourselves. You need to prove yourselves to everyone. Not just talk and talk and talk. You need to prove it. And they said, oh, you just lazy bugger. You just this and that. No, mate. I want you to become physical eyes in your life and see if you can work. But I will not do it because I know it's hard. But if there's a chance, the sea monster truck driver in America, he's homeless. He have nothing, but he's a monster truck driver. And see the artist in Philippines become physical eye. He become a rag guy. And see my life, I'm trying to live normal. Even it's so hard to prove to everyone that I'm not just an ordinary guy. I can fly. So I'm not just an ordinary guy. I can try. Try until I succeed. What if someone do it before me and he succeed? What if you use it for me? I will be dead now. And let's back. What is the battle? If you ask, I'm a hunter. Yes, I'm a hunter. What's the battle? 2 and 30 billion? How can 2, 1, 30 billion if you not use your fucking brain? If you not try, you will be pride. And if you ask me who's the composer, I am the composer. Of how many songs? 20, 40, 50, 60, 80. 80? 80. 80. E.T. will come back to Earth. There's no aliens, life in other planet. They're just their agenda to fear the people. Once you feared, you cleared. Once you cleared, you're dead. In your bed. You're a good boxer and you just use seg. No, mate. You're not good if you just use seg. You're strong. You not just burst the wise man like monster. Faster and smarter. Then you're stronger than the only seg. Let's get it on. Like the mic is on, 1,000 poor cards. You sing the song that I compose. If you ask me who's the composer, I am the composer. And now what you are? You're fucking dead in your bed. Why? Because you want to do the thing that you can't do. You want to be a vocalist and you can't compose song? How dare you? See the monster truck driver in America? See the artist in Philippines? The Cambodian is only strong because he part of the plume. He part of the Hunter x Hunter Omega. If not, he already dropped. You know, people like want to do things but they can't do. It's end up misery. And they be dead in their bed. Like you can't be mad. And you try scum. Scam? Yes, I've been scam. And amend. I use Tagalog. Aminado. This is Tagalog. Okay, back to English. Aminado. That I've been scam. But what is the next episode? They will be dead in their bed. Why they need to scam someone? Why they need to get someone to other? For what? Why not enjoy yourself? Enjoy what you have? Why you want the things that other have? Why you want what other have? Let's come back to the word says, if you can, then do it. If you can't, then don't do it. If you ask, who's the composer? I am the composer.